HAL Tejas. Why does the IAF hesitate? India's indigenous fighter jet program, the HAL Tejas, has long been a symbol of national pride. Conceived to reduce dependence on foreign military imports and to showcase India's engineering capabilities, the Tejas has had a tumultuous journey. While it has undoubtedly achieved milestones, there's a lingering question: why does the Indian Air Force IAF hesitate to fully embrace this homegrown marvel? This article delves into the reasons behind this hesitation, exploring technical, operational, and strategic aspects. The vision behind HAL Tejas. The HAL Tejas was envisioned in the 1980s as a replacement for the aging fleet of MiG-21s in the IAF. The objective was clear: create a lightweight, multi-role fighter aircraft using cutting-edge technology and indigenous resources. However, the road from vision to reality has been fraught with challenges, including delays, cost overruns, and shifting requirements from the IAF. Strengths of the Tejas. Before addressing the IAF's concerns, it's essential to highlight the Tejas' strengths. 1. Lightweight design. The Tejas' compact and agile structure gives it excellent maneuverability, making it ideal for close-range combat. 2. Advanced avionics. Equipped with state-of-the-art avionics, the Tejas boasts superior situational awareness and targeting capabilities. 3. Multi-role capability. Designed for air-to-air, air-to-ground, and maritime strike missions, the Tejas offers versatility on the battlefield. 4. Cost efficiency. Compared to imported aircraft like the Rafale or F-16, the Tejas is significantly more affordable. 5. Indigenous effort. The project has propelled India toward self-reliance in defense, reducing dependency on foreign suppliers. IAF's reluctance. Key concerns. Despite these strengths, the IAF's hesitance to fully embrace the Tejas stems from several issues. 1. Performance shortcomings. The Tejas has faced criticism for not meeting some of the IAF's operational requirements. For example, engine power. The General Electric F404 engine powering the Tejas lacks the thrust required for some advanced combat scenarios. Payload capacity. Its ability to carry weapons and fuel is lower than many contemporary fighters. Range limitations. The operational range of the Tejas falls short when compared to other multi-role aircraft, limiting its effectiveness in long-range missions. 2. Delays and development issues. The Tejas project has been plagued by delays since its inception. Originally slated for induction in the 1990s, the first operational squadron was only formed in 2016. These delays have not only escalated costs but also caused frustration within the IAF, which often had to look elsewhere to meet immediate requirements. 3. Maintenance and reliability. The Tejas' maintenance infrastructure and spare part availability are still developing. The IAF has raised concerns about reliability and ease of maintenance, which are crucial for sustained combat readiness. 4. Global benchmarking. When compared to globally established fighters like the F-16, JAS-39 Gripen, or even India's newly acquired Rafales, the Tejas falls short in certain metrics. This comparison has led the IAF to prioritize foreign fighters over Tejas for critical operations. Strategic implications of IAF's choices. The IAF's hesitation to fully embrace the Tejas has broader strategic implications. Dependence on imports. By opting for foreign-made aircraft, India risks perpetuating its reliance on imports, which could be detrimental in scenarios of geopolitical instability. For instance, delays or embargoes in supply chains during conflicts could severely impact operational readiness. Impact on indigenous industry. The lukewarm reception of the Tejas affects India's defense manufacturing ecosystem. A robust indigenous fighter program could drive innovation, create jobs, and bolster national pride. Missed opportunity for export potential. The Tejas has the potential to be an attractive option for smaller nations looking for affordable, reliable fighters. However, without the IAF's wholehearted endorsement, international buyers might remain skeptical. Efforts to address concerns. Recognizing these challenges, HAL and the Indian government have initiated several measures to improve the Tejas program. Tejas Mk-2. An upgraded version of the Tejas, the Mk-2 addresses many of the IAF's concerns. Enhanced avionics and radar systems. Increased payload and range. Reduced maintenance requirements. Collaboration with foreign partners. To fast-track development and enhance capabilities, HAL has sought collaborations with international aerospace companies for technology transfer and component manufacturing. Commitment to larger orders. The government has approved larger orders for the Tejas, signaling confidence in the program and encouraging the IAF to integrate it more extensively. The bigger picture. Balancing capability and national interest. The IAF's reluctance to fully embrace the Tejas underscores a broader tension between operational priorities and national aspirations. While the IAF understandably prioritizes combat readiness and proven technology, supporting indigenous programs like the Tejas is critical for long-term strategic autonomy. Countries like the USA, Russia, and China have demonstrated that sustained investment in domestic defense projects, despite initial shortcomings, eventually yields world-class results. For India, the Tejas represents not just an aircraft but a stepping stone toward becoming a global defense powerhouse. Conclusion. A path forward. The HAL Tejas embodies the ambition and potential of India's defense industry. While the IAF's concerns about its performance and reliability are valid, they must be balanced against the broader goal of self-reliance. With continuous improvements and increased government support, the Tejas can evolve into a platform that meets both domestic and international standards. The IAF's hesitation is a challenge, but it also serves as motivation for HAL and India's defense ecosystem to push the boundaries of innovation. The success of the Tejas is not just about filling the skies with indigenous fighters, it's about charting a new course for India's future in aerospace and defense. HAL Tejas versus other fighter jets, a comparative analysis. The HAL Tejas is India's indigenous fighter jet, designed to serve as a lightweight, multi-role aircraft for the Indian Air Force IAF. While it represents a significant milestone for Indian aviation, it competes with several other established fighters globally. Below is a streamlined comparison of the Tejas with popular fighter jets, focusing on performance, cost, technology, and operational capability. 1. HAL Tejas vs F-16 Fighting Falcon. Origin. USA. Role. Multi-role fighter. Manufacturer. Lockheed Martin. Comparison. The F-16 boasts greater engine thrust, higher speed, and a longer operational range. It has a proven combat record with decades of operational experience. Verdict. Strengths of the F-16. Superior thrust, range, and global reputation. Tejas advantage. More affordable, indigenous development, and lower maintenance costs. 2. HAL Tejas vs JAS 39 Gripen. Origin. Sweden. Role. Multi-role fighter. Manufacturer. Saab. Comparison. The Gripen features superior range, advanced radar technology, and operational flexibility, but it comes at a higher cost. Verdict. Strengths of the Gripen. Extended range and sophisticated avionics. Tejas advantage. Comparable payload at nearly half the cost, making it ideal for budget-conscious air forces. 3. HAL Tejas vs Dassault Rafale. Origin. France. Role. Multi-role fighter. Manufacturer. Dassault Aviation. Comparison. The Rafale surpasses the Tejas in payload, range, and overall sophistication. It is equipped with advanced avionics and can carry a wide variety of weaponry. Verdict. Strengths of the Rafale. Superior range, higher payload capacity, and advanced systems. Tejas advantage. Much more affordable, allowing for larger fleet acquisition. 4. HAL Tejas vs Chengdu JF-17 Thunder. Origin. Pakistan, China. Role. Lightweight fighter. Manufacturer. PAC-CAC. Comparison. The JF-17 has a lower cost and faster development timeline, but the Tejas outshines it in payload capacity and avionics. Verdict. Strengths of the JF-17. Economical and quick to produce. Tejas advantage. Better avionics and larger payload capacity. 5. HAL Tejas vs Sukhoi Su-30 Mki. Origin. Russia, India. Role. Air superiority fighter. Manufacturer. Sukhoi HAL. Comparison. The Su-30 Mki is a heavy fighter with significantly greater range, payload, and engine thrust compared to the Tejas. However, it is costlier to operate. Verdict. Strengths of the Su-30 Mki. High payload and range, air superiority capability. Tejas advantage. cost-effective and suitable for lightweight missions. Conclusion. Finding the right fit. The HAL Tejas excels in affordability, indigenous production, and fulfilling the lightweight fighter role. While it cannot yet rival established aircraft like the F-16, Gripen, Rafale, or Su-30 Mki in terms of power and range, it is perfectly suited for point defense and lightweight operations. The Tejas is also a strong candidate for export markets, offering a balance of cost and capability. With planned upgrades like the Tejas Mk-2, it holds the potential to close the gap with its global counterparts, strengthening India's defense and aerospace capabilities. Deep dive into key features of Tejas. The HAL Tejas stands as a testament to India's growing capabilities in aerospace engineering and indigenous defense production. While it competes in a market dominated by global aviation giants, Tejas boasts several unique features that make it a noteworthy player. Here's an in-depth look at what sets Tejas apart. 1. Composite material usage. One of the most striking features of the HAL Tejas is its extensive use of composite materials, accounting for nearly 45% of its airframe. This makes it one of the lightest fighter jets in its class. Composites offer several advantages over traditional metal alloys. Reduced weight. Lighter airframes improve the jet's thrust-to-weight ratio, enhancing speed, maneuverability, and fuel efficiency. Corrosion resistance. Unlike metals, composites are less prone to corrosion, reducing maintenance requirements and costs. Stealth capabilities. The radar-absorbing properties of composites contribute to Tejas' reduced radar cross-section (RCS), making it harder to detect. This innovative design approach demonstrates India's ability to integrate advanced materials into modern fighter jet production. 2. Indigenous systems. A hallmark of the Tejas program is its emphasis on indigenous development. Key subsystems, ranging from avionics to weapon systems, are designed and manufactured in India. Avionics Suite. The Tejas features a digital fly-by-wire system, designed to improve flight control and stability. This system is critical for its delta wing configuration, which, while enhancing agility, requires advanced avionics for precision handling. AESA radar. The Mk-1A variant is equipped with an active electronically scanned array AESA radar, developed in partnership with Israel's ELTA systems. This radar allows for simultaneous tracking of multiple targets, enhancing situational awareness and engagement capability. Electronic warfare (EU) systems. Indigenous EU pods on Tejas provide advanced jamming and countermeasure capabilities, ensuring survivability in contested airspaces. Weapon systems. Tejas can integrate a variety of weapons, including air-to-air missiles, air-to-ground bombs, and anti-ship missiles. The jet's compatibility with Indian-developed munitions, like the Astra missile, underscores its self-reliance. By incorporating these systems, the Tejas program has significantly reduced dependency on foreign suppliers while boosting India's defense manufacturing ecosystem. 3. Future upgrades. The Tejas program is not static. Continuous upgrades are planned to enhance its capabilities and expand its operational roles. Tejas Mk-2. The Tejas Mk-2 is a medium-weight fighter (MWF) designed to bridge the gap between the lightweight Tejas Mk-1A and heavier fighters like the Rafale. Key improvements include a more powerful GEF 414 engine, offering 98 kN thrust for greater payload and speed. Extended range and refueling capability for deep strike missions. Advanced avionics, increased payload capacity up to 6,500 kg and stealth features. Twin-engine deck-based fighter TEDBF. The TEDBF is being developed for the Indian Navy to replace the Mk-29K aboard aircraft carriers. It will feature twin engines for redundancy and enhanced thrust, foldable wings for carrier compatibility, maritime-specific avionics and weapon systems, including anti-ship missiles. These upgrades ensure that the Tejas platform remains competitive against evolving threats and emerging technologies. Verdict. The HAL Tejas represents more than just a fighter jet, it embodies India's aspirations for self-reliance and innovation in defense technology. Its lightweight composite design, indigenous systems, and planned upgrades like the Mk-2 and TEDBF demonstrate the program's potential to evolve into a versatile and competitive platform. While Tejas may currently have limitations compared to global heavyweights, its unique features and continuous improvements position it as a formidable player in modern air combat. The HAL Tejas is not merely a fighter jet, it is a profound symbol of India's resolute journey towards self-reliance and technological ingenuity in the defense sector. Its lightweight composite structure, advanced indigenous systems, and envisioned upgrades, such as the Mk-2 and the twin-engine deck-based fighter TEDBF, exemplify a relentless pursuit of excellence. Though the Tejas may still trail behind global stalwarts in some aspects, its distinctive attributes and perpetual enhancements elevate it as a resilient contender in the contemporary theater of air combat. It signifies an audacious leap into a future where India's aerospace ambitions soar unbounded, inspiring nations to envision a horizon of possibilities forged through determination and innovation.